everyone. We have r equals 3 divided by 4 minus 8 cosine of theta. We're going to find the eccentricity, identify the conic, give an equation of the directrix, and sketch the conic. Alright, so basically we have the form with cosine in it, and we have a negative. So we have this form, negative e cosine of theta. From that, the problem we have is we should have a 1 here. We have a 4. So we're going to fix that and write this as r equals 3 divided by 4 minus 8 cosine of theta, and multiply our numerator and our denominator by 1/4. This is going to give me 3/4 divided by, and you multiply this by 1/4, you're going to get 1 minus 2 cosine of theta. Now we can clearly see what our E is. Our E equals 2. Now we have ED equal 3/4. So if you substitute in your 2, you're going to get 2 D equals 3/4. If you multiply through by 1/2, your D is going to equal 3/8. All right, since we have that, we know that since E is 2 and it's greater than 1, we have a hyperbola. And also, since we have negative here, and our D is 3/8, our equation of our directrix, we have D is absolute value of FL. So the equation of the directrix with this negative here is going to be x equals negative 3/8. And it's x because we have cosine. All right, now that we have all that information, we can sketch a graph. Remember, we're just sketching it. When they say sketch, they mean you do it without a grid. I'm using a grid because I'm doing the video and it just makes it a little easier. So at 0, we're going to get negative 3/4 if I substitute in 0 here. And at pi, I'm going to get 1/4. All right. So from there, let's see something. Let's plot these points. At 0, we're at negative 3/4. So that's about right there. And at 0, we're at pi, we're at 1/4, which is right here. Our center is going to be the midpoint between those points. So the center is going to be in between negative 3/4, comma 0 and 1/4, comma pi. These two right here. And when you add these up, just add these up, you're going to get 1/2, comma pi, because it's going to be on the pi side if you want to use that side. All right, and these are your two vertices. So it opens up, the directrix, where's the directrix? That's negative 3/8. So that's going to be in here somewhere, really close to the 1/2. So let's plot that. Directrix is going to be right here, really close to the 1/2. Thought I already had that on there. So it's right there. So it opens up this way. Again, this is just a sketch. We have the center here. Now for the asymptotes, if you want to do those, what you do is you set your denominator to equal 0. So basically you'd get 4 equals 8 cosine of theta. So cosine of theta equals 1/2. Whoops. So that means cosine of theta is 1/2 at the 60-degree mark. So if you wanted to start from your center and do asymptotes, you're just going out about 60 degrees, or pi divided by 3. Again, this is just supposed to be a sketch. It's not very good, but you get an idea of what it looks like. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.